How Adhaan started. Adhan is the call to the obligatory prayers. In the beginning, Muslims would attend to the prayers in the mosque without Adhan. Then the Prophet, peace and blessing upon him, consulted his companions. Some suggested using the Jewish trumpet, and others suggested the Christian bell, but neither was welcome to him. When the matter was still under discussion, Abdullah ibn Zayd radhiyallahu anhu came along to say that he had been taught the manner of Adhan in the dream. The Prophet then asked him to teach it Bilal ibn Rabah radhiyallahu anhu. This is how Adhan started. For more video, please watch Fahim Akthar Ullal YouTube channel.